Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be showing you how to remove and replace the seat on your Steelcase V2 Think chair. So without further ado, let's get started. Now the first thing is the only tool we're actually going to need for this is going to be a long-handled flathead screwdriver. So make sure you have that handy, you can set that aside. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the chair and we're going to take the seat slider and we're going to move it all the way forward. And then we're going to flip the chair upside down. And I like to place it onto a table or somewhere that you can work. If you can just flip this over and work on the ground too, that should work fine. The area that we're looking at is we're going to be depressing a small tab that's holding the seat from sliding off, and that's going to be on the side of the chair that has the gas cylinder lever and the tilt lock. And so we're going to identify that side, and then we're going to, you can see, this is going to be, you can actually see it from the side if you come in from here. And we're just going to want to depress that lever. And so it is a little bit difficult to press down on that lever, and you're also going to need to press down on the seat slide lever and pull forward while you do it. Like and subscribe! Now it can be easier for you to have a second pair of hands to do that step, so that's how we're going to show you here. So we're going to have somebody just hold that and continue to provide some pulling pressure on the seat while we get in here and depress the lever. So, all right, give it a pull. All right, go ahead. And you can see once it goes past, the seat will slide right off. So we're going to show you a couple of close-ups here of what you're actually going to be depressing with the seat off as well. And so we'll see those on screen too. But once the seat is off, we'll show you how to reinstall it next. All right, so with the old seat removed, next we're going to need to take our replacement seat, and we're going to need to take this, and this is going to be the bottom side of the seat. What we want to do is, see how the front side has these levers? So you're going to grab these levers and pull down, and you're going to take these back rails and line them up with the two rails on either side of the seat assembly. And then we're just going to get them lined up and should slide on. You see now they're sliding, and it's going to meet some resistance here. And so you're going to need to depress this lever and then push forward pretty with some force here. So you might want to grab this or put it against a wall. And you're just going to push it until it breaks over that button. And now you can see everything's working properly. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it helpful, go ahead and click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you've got any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us at our website, crandalloffice.com, our Facebook page, anywhere you can reach us. We're always here to help. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Don't launch it and send it into the wall.
What? Break the window?
Yeah.
All right, so now with the seat removed, all we're going to need to do is take our new seat. That was not a good talk.
I was paying attention to that. I didn't pay attention to you. I was looking, making sure it was going to work. Okay.